yak jingiamir jingmut halor kapang National Education Policy araja arpuar bala pynlong daka College of Teachers Education PGT Shillong ha Shillong Club la pynkut no mentaka janmit. Hakani jingiamir jingmut la yo banyak kran shibun sapang National Education Policy araja arpuar. Hakani jingiamir jingmut la shimru ya karai ban ai jingmut ya sarkar ya ki kattu kat ne sembok perkat ki bami nakini jingiakran.
Is supposed to help the institutions, the schools or the education institutions in different areas. Then short be it a certificate course, that is also very important, like the TACIN program, and all be it program will include, very importantly, which we have to to make a note. This is very important, that all the 3 types of teacher education program will have training in time tested techniques in pedagogy, which is really very important, multi-level teaching and evaluation, teaching children with disabilities, teaching children with the special interests or talents, and oriented them to information technology or educational technology, and also very importantly is the learner center and collaborative teaching.